Hey guys, in today's video, we'll be making a silky herbal lotion. So first up we have 30 grams of oat butter, 20 grams of almond oil, 25 grams emulsifying wax, and 15 grams of cetyl alcohol. Up next is the water phase. So first off, we'll be making a herbal tea with calendula and mugwort, followed by 21 grams of glycerin and 10 grams of silk peptide. So we ended up using 380 grams of the herbal tea, and then we added the silk peptide in increments to that herbal water. So then you want to follow up by emulsifying with an immersion blender.